What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter on a 2021 Chevy Tahoe. Like I said, this is a 21 Tahoe here, but it will be the same on a few different GM models. So our cabin air filter is located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we want to open the glove box. And if we look on the left-hand side, we're going to see this latch right here. In order to get that off, you're just going to want to pull it straight off to the left, like that. Once you have that unhooked, what we want to do is push in on either side of the glove box, and that's going to allow it to come down, and it'll kind of just come off. So if we push in like this, that allows that to come down, and then it'll just kind of come off of there like that. Now if we take a look up in here, this honeycomb shaped item here is the cover to the air filter, and there's a latch on the left hand side that you need to get your finger around, and that happened kind of fast, so let me show you again. Once you get that latch unhooked, what you need to do is slide it to your left just a little bit, and then it'll come out, and then we can see our actual filter right here. This one doesn't need to be replaced, it's about brand new, but I just want to point out that you make sure when you do put your new one in, you have your airflow arrow pointing down. And then from there, you'll reverse everything we just did to get it back together. Put that access door back on. Put your glove box back on. Just line up those hinges on the bottom. And then don't forget to reattach the dampening latch. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.